Okay, what's good, guys? We're gonna be shipping our products today. Now, someone ordered this shirt. We're gonna be making it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but we're gonna make it and then ship it off. So we got the order ready. It's the shirt and the zip-up hoodie, which is currently just getting washed right now. But yeah, we're gonna ship this off today. We're gonna show you guys how we do it, and we're gonna turn this black shirt into a nice cropped ribcage Shack shirt. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're just doing the method here where we scrunch it up a bit. We gotta shake this. Let's make sure the spray is good. Part, and it's gonna look beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. And it's the smoky effect, so you know it's clean like that. So we're going to just heat press it real quick now and then cut it. So let's get to that. And you want to make sure that it is heat pressed so that the spray paint stays properly in the material. And then what we're going to do after is we're going to screen print, since we're making the shirt from scratch again. I have the stars ready, I have the rib cage and whatever ready. It's going to take a little bit of some process, but it should take probably half an hour to get this done. Now, the best way to get this done is to get like an industrial screen press machine that can spin around and you can put it down and screen print like that. But maybe that'll come one day. We got to do it by hand, so that's fine. Let's just get this done quickly. Alright, so what we're doing right now, we're just going to cut the bottom hem here just to make it a little shorter. And I like to have a unfinished hem so that it rolls up. It's kind of nice that way. So we're going to quickly just cut this off here. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm just following the line that's right here, the hem. There we go. Now let's do the screen print. Literally replicate that, and then this is still wet to the touch. Let me just now let's see how we did this. Is it directly in the center? I did the thing first, and then I did the on top of it. So let's recreate that. Alright, so let's take this off. It should come out good. Yeah, thanks. Hold it. Yep, thanks. Boom. Perfect. That came out nice. Now we can put this to the side. Looks good, right? Alright, so now we're going to take this to the heat press. Make sure it doesn't touch the ground here. And we'll put it right here. Just warming it so it's cured a little bit, and like just dried out a little. Just a little bit, so it's not so wet. And now we're going to get the other design ready. This is the next design we're going to use here. And put it here. We're going to make it a little bit darker, so I'm going to add some black to it. But let's just put it right here for now. And then we use some blacking for that. Alright, so we got that part done. Now we got to do the other part here on the bottom. There we go. Look how nice that looks. So let's just make sure that's not wet. So I'm just making sure to get the bottom real good because recently the bottom hasn't been the best in terms of the design. So I'm really just trying to get the ink each part of the lighters here so the detail comes out really good. And now, let's see. Now the big reveal. Perfect. Now it's a little bit messy there, but honestly, it still looks okay. All right. Let's take it off. Okay. Let's see the big reveal. Boom. That came out pretty clean, actually. I like that. I like it. I like it. All right, so we're gonna try to black out this thing right here.
Oh, hey, yeah, it's good.
This tag right here. There we go.
Okay. Just wait.
Alright, this one will go right here. Clean, 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 clean. Now we're just gonna put it on the heat press. And then we're done basically. We're gonna ship it off to Brochacho. There we go. So we're gonna put that on the heat press. I'm gonna wash my hands. And the thing with this type of ink, it's super hard to get it out. You can't just use water to get it out. You need this like oil-based substance right here. It's literally like ink remover specific for it. So it's so hard to get it off. As soon as I spray the stuff on, just a little bit, it wipes off immediately. But it's like really oily. And if you put water on top, it doesn't work because water and oil doesn't really work well together. So you kind of have to rub it off as soon as you put the oil on. And you just wipe it off and then boom, clean. But it sucks because it gets under your fingernails and stuff, but it's okay. I'll just lift this up right here. Just gonna make sure everything else came out perfect. And we're gonna fix that screen up so when another person orders a shirt like this, I'm gonna make sure to have those stars on the back. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, please. We're almost at 1,000 followers, and Instagram's almost at 1,000 followers. If you want a shirt, just let me know. I can always make another shirt. This was like 40 bucks Canadian. That's like 30 American. So very easy to make these type of shirts. I don't charge a lot for it, and you'll be supporting the brand. So the store, the website's live right now. I'm gonna take it down in a few days. There's a few shirts left for sale, so definitely do get it. I think they look cool. But yeah, check the website. Thanks everyone for supporting. This shirt came out really clean. I'll show you guys how it comes out just in like a few seconds here, but yeah. Let me show you guys how it came out. That's just perfect. Now the only thing here, what we did was, I think I showed you, it said Kirkland and it took it off. So Kirk Henry, we took it off. So we don't have Kirk on here. But yeah, it looks pretty sick. I got all the details right. I got the made by Shack Jack in the corner, and the rib cage, and the Shack Jack over, and the spray paint, and I got the stars here on the sleeve. So yeah, we're gonna ship this right now. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna print the labels, and then we're gonna bring. Actually, I should bring my bags upstairs. So I'm gonna bring some shipping bags upstairs, so we can ship the products. All right, so we're just printing right here. The shipping label. Now I don't want to show the details here on screen, but we just printed the label right there. So we're gonna use this label, we're gonna put it on the package, and then we're just gonna go ship it off real quick. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and ship this right now. We're gonna go ship it, and I got the bags and whatnot ready behind me with the clothes. So let's go ahead and do that for y'all, and then we'll show y'all where we take it. We're taking a client to the post today, so yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're on our way to Staples. We're gonna drop off the package. We just got everything ready to go, so you got the shirt and the zip-up hoodie ready to go. We got some items, a few items left up on the store, so if you want any, it's very limited. It's gonna go up really quickly, so go check out the store. We're gonna go right now, we're gonna come back, we're gonna get ready. We've been shooting a lot of like promotional videos, so we're gonna try to do that. But I'll show you guys how the website is looking when we come back. There's some stats I'll show you guys later. I think we did a really good job this drop, and we got a lot more people to look at the website, and we almost got 2 sales. There was also a person almost got a sale, but I'll show you guys that when I'm home. We're just gonna quickly go to drop this off. No, we're not going to Staples. We're going to Shoppers because Staples is closed, and this is Shoppers because we took Canada Post. Now, the thing with Canada Post and shipping from Canada is so bad because the pricing is so expensive to ship from Canada abroad. To ship Canada to another Canadian city, it's not that much, but as soon as I try to ship to America, it's like $25 for shipping, which sucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, we'll see you guys shortly, and yeah, I'll show you guys when I drop off the package. Alright, so we just dropped it off at the Shoppers Drug Mart. It's a self-serve thing, so we just put in the thing, lift it up, and yeah, we're gonna head home right now. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how the website looks like right now and the stats, and yeah, that's about it really. We've got 3 products up right now, and I think I did a total of $100 so far, which is very good. But yeah, we'll show you guys how the the website's looking, and also I want to show you guys some Instagram strategy I've been using, because in the last video I was talking about how I really wanted to increase my Instagram following so I can look more reputable, because no one wants to buy from a brand that has like 600 followers on Instagram. So I mean, trying to get as quickly as possible like 1,000 to 2,000 followers. So I'll show you guys how I'm doing that as well. But yeah, we're gonna head home right now and I'll show you guys that right now. Alright, so what I wanted to show you guys is how much I've been getting since December 26th, how much views and add to carts I've been getting now. I only have 4 products up, by the way. 2 of them have already sold out. It is now the 30th of December, so it's about 4 days since the drop. So, okay, so as you can see, I'm going to show you guys the analytics. Now, all this stuff, this is basically showing I got $100 from the whole sale, all the people, blah blah blah. This is what I want to show you guys. This is a big number, okay? Because this shows 40 people visited in the last week, 4 of them added a cart, 3 of them reached checkout, and then 1 actually got a sale. That is good conversion. Now, my theory is we need to up this conversion. We need more people on the website. If we get more people on the website, more people are going to buy. So for my next drop, I'm going to try to not spam, but I'm going to try to get as much people on the SMS list, and I've been doing so much research on this, on SMS list. I got Klaviyo just today. Now you can see my Instagram, it's gone up right here. You can see all this. Now this is, I believe, from, let's take a look here. Okay, here we go. Actually, here's the proper. I think that was only for the last couple days. This is the actual statistic. So 165, 7 out of cart, 5 reach checkout, 1 completed. Like I was saying, we need more of these, because if we up this number, we'll get more people to potentially see the product, and then yeah, we can send them more SMS text messages and abandoned cart messages. So if we check here, look how many people got to the page just by Instagram. 112 people got to the page just by the Instagram link in bio. So this shows how much I've been essentially, how the marketing has actually been working. Like, this statistics thing is actually really interesting because you get to see all this different stuff. Look, Friday, the next day was us, and then the last 2 days we've been going crazy because I've been spamming the Instagram Reels. So I've been going so crazy with the Instagram Reels. It won't show here. Let me grab my phone and show you guys. Right here. Just one sec. Now what's crazy is while recording, I hit 1,000 followers. Let me show y'all. Oh, let me not follow that person. 1,017 just went up. Now, it is crazy because, bro, 178,000 views in the last 30 days, and most of it came from just like yesterday. Look at this. Look at this. 480, 2K, 1.2, 300, 1.8, 2.6, 2, 1.8, 1.7. It's crazy. So 7,000 on that one video. So I've just been going crazy on the marketing, and it's been working. So my plan is to now, I'm going to transfer this sorry, I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna transfer all these people following into my not Postgres, my Klaviyo. I was using Postgres, but I'm gonna try to use Klaviyo instead now. So the plan is to try to max out the SMS list as best as possible so that I can market back to these people like an abandoned checkout or whatever it may be. And the goal is to get as many people to the website, because if I just have a 0.5 or a 1% close rate, if I have 1,000 people, that means like how many people would buy? Like 10 people would buy, and let's say each shirt's like $40. That's $400 just off 1,000 people. So the more eyeballs on my stuff, the more chance of people buying it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're focusing on the bulk order. I just got my samples in, so next video I'm gonna show you all my samples. We're gonna go over it all. We're gonna go over marketing strategies and stuff again. But this was just an insight of kind of, how the marketing has been and how everything has been going. And I'll catch y'all again. The drop went super successful. I'm very happy with how it went. And I think actually, let's take a look if it got shipped to the guy's place. So I was running a pre-order, not a pre-order, but a giveaway. So this is the update on the giveaway. Let me not expose any addresses. So it is currently in the area of guys where he lives. It's in Cedar Falls. That's where he lives. It's been taking a long time because during Christmas delays and stuff. Of course, you have to take in consideration for that. Now this, let's take a look. Boom. It's gonna be delivered by tomorrow, which is nice because I live in Ottawa. They live in Toronto. So, yeah, we're going to. My customers are gonna get their packages soon. We're gonna keep posting, keep making shirts, keep dropping. And January, February, we're gonna start doing drops, like consistent drops. So I'm very excited to continue. I think my drop, honestly, if I had to put a date on it, I'm gonna say mid-February. I think mid-February we're gonna get this. So mid-February we're gonna do our first drop ever, just because of how timings is gonna work. Mid-February we're gonna go crazy. So thank you for watching. I appreciate all the support. I'll see you on the next one.